What if you could turn $100 into your first $1,000 in the market? And what if I told you that you don't need some fancy finance degree or a huge paycheck to do it? Well, you can. In this explainer, we are going to walk through a super simple, beginner proof system to make it happen. Let's get right into it. This is it. Just $100. I know it might not look like a lot, but believe me, it's the only thing you need to start building real, actual wealth. See, the secret isn't starting with a ton of cash. The secret is building the right habit right now, a habit that's going to pay off for the rest of your life. So, the big question you're probably asking is how on earth does this small start realistically turn into $1,000? I get it seems like a massive jump, but the process is way simpler and more accessible than you ever think. Now, this isn't some get rich quick nonsense. This is a proven get rich steady strategy. And you know what? It absolutely works. Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we're going to unpack the promise of how this is even possible. Then we'll look at two awesome tools for beginners, Robinhood versus Acorns. After that, I'm going to give you a precise four-step plan for success. We'll cover the big mistakes you have to avoid. And finally, we'll get you ready to make your very first move. So, what is the secret sauce behind this whole promise? Well, it all boils down to one powerful idea: micro investing. And this isn't just some tech buzzword. It's a total game changer that has completely leveled the playing field. It lets literally anyone start building wealth with what's basically digital spare change. It's the engine that's going to power this whole journey. Let's break that down because it's simpler than it sounds. Micro investing just means you're investing tiny amounts of money, but you're doing it over and over again consistently. Two really cool innovations make this happen. First, you've got fractional shares. This lets you buy a tiny slice of a super expensive stock. Think about a company like Amazon. You don't need $100+ to buy a whole share. You can own $5 worth. And second, you've got automatic roundups, where an app just invests the spare change from your coffee or lunch. Together, these things just wipe out the two biggest excuses for not starting: not having enough money and forgetting to do it. And this is where it all clicks. Let's look at the numbers. You start with that $100 today. Then you commit to adding just $20 a week. I mean, that's less than $3 a day. That's a coffee. If you do that, based on a totally conservative 8% average yearly return, which is pretty standard for the broad stock market, you can hit that $1,000 mark in about 11 months. This isn't just some fantasy. It's real, doable math that makes this goal feel totally within reach. All right, so you get the concept. Now let's talk about the actual tools you're going to use. We're going to focus on two of the most popular apps out there for beginners, Robinhood and Acorns. Now, they'll both get you to the same place, but they take very different roads to get there. And choosing the right one for you really just comes down to your personality and how hands-on you want to be. Okay, let's get into the main difference. Think of Robinhood like driving a car with a manual transmission. You are in the driver's seat. You're in total control. You pick every single investment, which is awesome if you're the type of person who wants to learn by doing. For this strategy, you could just buy a broad market ETF, something like VOO. Now, an ETF is just a basket of hundreds of different stocks all rolled into one. So when you buy one share of VOO, you instantly own a tiny piece of the 500 biggest companies in America. We're talking Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, all of them. It's instant diversification. Then on the other hand, you have Acorns. Think of this as the fully automatic self-driving Tesla. It is the ultimate set it and forget it system. You put money in and it automatically invests it for you in a pre-made diversified portfolio. It's built for people who just want the results without having to manage anything, all for a tiny monthly fee. Okay, now for the playbook. This isn't theory anymore. These are the exact four steps you need to follow to turn that $100 into $1,000. It's simple, it's clear, and honestly, it's designed to be pretty much foolproof. Let's walk through this right now. Step one, just start. Seriously, the hardest part is just getting off the starting line, so deposit that $100 today. Step two, automate it. This is the absolute key to consistency. Set up a recurring weekly investment, 10, 20 bucks. This makes sure you're investing without even thinking about it, and it takes all the emotion out of the picture. Step three, invest smart. This means we are not gambling. You put your money into a broad market ETF or a diversified portfolio. You aren't betting on one company to hit it big. You are betting on the entire US economy to grow over time, which is the most proven long-term strategy there is. And finally, step four, hold. The market's going to have up days and down days. That's totally normal. You have to resist that urge to check your phone every 5 minutes, thinking years, not in days. And here's a little pro tip to really put this thing into overdrive. Make sure you turn on dividend reinvestment, or what they call DRIP. So when those big companies in your portfolio make a profit, They often share a tiny piece of it with you, the shareholder. Those are called dividends, with drip turned on. Instead of getting a few cents in cash, the app automatically uses that money to buy you more tiny slices of your investment. This creates an unbelievably powerful compounding effect. Your investment earns dividends, those dividends buy you more shares, and now those new shares are earning you even more dividends. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger on its own. It's how you truly make your money work for you. By the way, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And check out the links in the description. If you're thinking about buying or selling, I can connect you with a top agent in your area. Or if you need life insurance, my team and I can help you out anywhere nationwide. Okay, you have the plan. Now we need to talk about what not to do. It's just as important to dodge the common traps as it is to follow the right steps. These are the simple mistakes that can so easily wreck your progress before you even get any momentum. First, and I really mean this, avoid the temptation to chase the hype. Do not throw your first $100 at some hot meme stock or a crazy crypto you saw on social media. The risk is just way too high when you're building your foundation. Second, never ever panic sell. The market will go down sometimes. It's a normal part of the process. Selling when you're down just turns a temporary dip into a permanent loss. Remember, it's only a paper loss until you sell. Third, stop checking your portfolio every single day. It will drive you crazy and lead to emotional, bad decisions. Trust the plan. And finally, this one is crucial. Only invest money you absolutely will not need for at least 5 years. This is a long-term growth plan, not a short-term savings account. So we've covered the why, the how, and the what not to do. It all comes down to this one moment. The learning part is over. The hardest, but also the most important part of this entire journey is just taking that first step, moving from learning about it to actually doing it. So it's decision time. Based on everything we just talked about, which path feels right for you? Are you the hands-on, learn-by-doing type who's drawn to the control of Robinhood? Or do you prefer the seamless set it and forget it automation of Acorns? Look, there's no wrong answer here. The only wrong move is not making one. Let's just wrap this all up. The blueprint is right here in front of you. The tools are literally waiting in your pocket on your phone. That first $100 investment, it isn't really about the money. It's about planting a seed. It's the first step toward building not just your first $1,000, but creating a financial habit that will benefit you for the rest of your life. So, I want you to make a commitment right now. Drop a comment below and tell me, which path are you choosing? The hands-on control of Robinhood or the automated power of Acorns? Just putting it out there can be an incredibly powerful motivator. And while you're there, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. And definitely check out the links in the description. If you're thinking about buying or selling, I can connect you with a top agent in your area. Or if you need life insurance, my team and I can help you anywhere nationwide. Just remember this. Start small because it's not about how much you start with, it's about the simple fact that you start. And stay consistent because consistency is the fuel for all long-term growth. You do those two things and you will watch your money grow. You've got this.